How to share a zip file on OneDrive. Need to share a large zip file to someone? OneDrive makes it simple to share zip files securely. Here's how to share a zip file in just a few steps. If it's not already there, upload a zip file to a OneDrive folder on your PC or via the web. Wait for it to finish syncing. Here it's still being synced. Right-click on the zip file and choose Share. Select your permissions, view only or editable, and then generate a sharing link. Permissions can be set right here. Enter an email address to send directly or copy, click link and paste it wherever you want, email, chat or document. And that's how you share a zip file using OneDrive. A reliable way to transfer large files with ease. And that's about it. If you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next video.